Hola, Miss Beth here with your instructions for today. Today's class plan is right here. We're going to be working on the video historia for chapter 2A. That's what we are talking about, the classes and the schedules and all the stuff. And the first thing you're going to do, report your attendance. You find your video that I'm recording right here as usual. And then you had your actividad inicial. And your actividad inicial, you're going to go to this photo. And this photo is going to take you to this activity. This activity is on Spanish.com. You should have your information to log in recorded already in your computers, but if not, I am actually going to put it there on the Canvas page and the class plan. And I wanted to show you that I put this new module right here below the sección de preguntas frecuentes, frequent asked questions. And I'm putting the vocabulary that is in construction, but I already put the vocabulary for the chapter 2A, vocabulario nuevo 4. So when you go there, you can find the words that you need to complete your activity for today. They are right, excuse me, right here. These are your ordinal numbers that you're gonna need to complete the activity, so you can use them. Back to the class plan. Today you're gonna watch a video for the video historia. Down. Sorry, having difficulties because my picture's on the way. And right here, back to the plan. You are going to open the form, and I'm gonna put the video there on the form for you to complete. You already know what the procedures is with the form, and the video is gonna be there in the second part when you click next. If your video doesn't work from the form, because for some of you it doesn't work, I put the video here too. So you click here, it's going to take you to the video, and you can watch it. You watch the video, and you complete the activities. Now, let me tell you this. This activity is not easy, okay? It is difficult, and it requires a lot of your attention. You need your vocabulary, you need all your knowledge, and you have to ask questions, but I want you to put all your effort trying to do it on your own. So let's try that and see how that works. As usual, please do not submit until you double check with me, and then I'll help you if you need any help. I'll see you during class. Adios.